Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial series on visualizing raster data with Leaflet. In this video, I'll guide you through creating an interactive NDVI versus precipitation leaflet map in R. We'll build a side-by-side interactive slider for seamless comparison. Let's dive in. First, let's load the required R libraries. These include Leaflet, Terra for raster handling, and Leaflet.extras for added functions to the leaflet maps. Step 2, we load our required sample NDVI and precipitation raster datasets for this project. To enhance performance, we downsample the rasters to stay within Leaflet's maximum pixel display limit. However, this step is optional when working with a smaller study area. Step 3, we define color palettes to visually distinguish the two raster datasets, NDVI and precipitation. These palettes help in effectively interpreting the data by assigning meaningful colors to different value ranges. Step 4, let's create our leaflet map and set up side-by-side comparison. We start by adding base maps of our choice from world imagery and open topo map. We then add our NDVI and precipitation layers using the add raster image function from Leaflet. We also enable the slider for smooth comparison. To enhance readability, we add clear titles above the left and right map panes, labeling them as NDVI and precipitation for easy interpretation. Additionally, we integrate an OpenStreetMap search feature, allowing users to find locations quickly. Lastly, we include a reset zoom button, enabling seamless navigation by instantly resetting the map view to the default extent. And that's it. You now have a fully interactive NDVI versus precipitation map built using R and Leaflet. With this, you can easily compare vegetation health and precipitation patterns in a dynamic and intuitive way. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more GIS and spatial analysis tutorials in R. Stay tuned for more exciting content on interactive mapping, data visualization, and geospatial insights.